So this is US oil analysis for Friday, 2nd of February. Now let's have a look what happened in pricing, where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices come up pretty close to 66.71. I wouldn't say this level that I wouldn't say it's a major level. I suppose it's yeah, let's work with it. Let's say it's a major level. Major level 66.71. We've had a brief pullback all the way down towards this 165 level. Well, 65 level. Had a brief seen bullish buy side momentum come into the market, but we posted a lower high. What we did see is further sell side momentum come into the market. A couple of bear flag sell side momentum continued. We weren't able to hold these minor levels of support. Well, this major level 65.60, minor level at 64.76. But we did come down to this major level in around 63.76. Now, in around 63.76, we do appear to have found some buy side momentum. Take 400 period moving average, and after having a brief consolidation beneath the 200 period moving average, we have broke above the 200 period moving average as well. We've seen the further upside momentum continue, and we've broken above the 65.60, and we do look poised for further upside momentum, possibly taking us up to 66.71, our most recent highs in around the 66.50, and this major level here marked out at 66.71. So if we do get a test of 66.71, we will see whether we do get a sell side momentum coming to the market, bring us back down possibly to 65.60, or depending on market volatility and the strength of the breakdown, we may head down beneath this 200 period moving average and head down towards the 64.76. A successful break from which we're looking to see if we do get a reaction around the 400 period moving average. If we're unable to hold the 400 period moving average and move all the way back down to where the move started in around 63.76 would be in order, especially if we aren't able to hold 65.60 and 64.76. We didn't have much of a reaction to the 200, 400 period moving average previously, but we do have to bear them in mind. If, however, we do see the upside momentum take us above the 66.71, the very next major level that we are looking at is in around the 68.19. But as that zone is pretty big, we'll see our price reacting around 67.50 before we look to target the 68.19. Now, if we do break down from where we are at present, we'll see whether we do find support at 65.60 for a true test of 66.71, possibly up to that 67.50 before looking at 68.19. But if we aren't able to hold the 65.60, we're looking again down to the levels of 64.76, 63.76, and if we do get sufficient market volatility, 63.05. Yep, and with that said, I think that pretty much wraps up everything on the US oil. Overall, on the high time frames, we are in a pretty strong uptrend, and if we do see further upside continuation, we will be in multiple time frame alignment with the higher time frame trends, which are to the upside. And yeah, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.